is quiet, sweet and small. He hides behind Booboo like a wall.
2 loves music, tap and spin, dances with Booboo, wearing a grin.
3 tells jokes and makes us smile. He walks backwards all the while. 4 likes books and counts so neat, sits with Booboo crossing feet.
5 is loud and full of cheer.
He shouts, "High five!"
to every ear.
6 moves slow, he likes to chill, takes a nap on a windowsill.
7 wears a cap so round, he marches like he's parade bound.
8 does flips and jumps so high, Booboo claps as she zooms by.
9 is dreamy, always thinking, draws the moon while stars are blinking.
10 stands tall like a birthday king, wears a crown and starts to sing. Booboo loves his number friends, every turn and twist it bends. Each one special, big or small. Let's go meet the rest of them all. 11 runs, he's never late. He zips and zooms through every gate.
12 paints rainbows in the sky, splashes color way up high.
13 wears cool shiny shoes, he slides with Booboo on morning dew. 14 skips and sings all day, she teaches Booboo how to play.
15 giggles full of fun, tells her riddles one by one.
16 yawns and hides in bed, dreams of clouds above her head.
17 spins like a top, he twirls and twirls and never stops.
18 draws big hearts on sand, she makes my lilies with her hand.
19 hides then shouts
Peekaboo!
he makes Booboo laugh out of the blue.
20 bows with pride and grace, he leads the team in a big embrace. From 1 to 20 now you know, each number's got a heart to show. They dance, they dream, they sing and run, with Booboo Bear it's always fun.